What records must a guardian keep for bank account transactions? Have you ever wondered what responsibilities come with being a guardian, especially when it comes to managing bank accounts? It's a big job, and keeping track of everything is essential. Let's break down what records a guardian must maintain for bank account transactions to ensure everything is handled properly and transparently. First, a guardian needs to set up a separate bank account just for the ward's funds. This account must be distinct from the guardian's personal accounts. Keeping these funds separate is important to protect the ward's assets. The guardian should keep documentation about this account, including the bank account number and the bank's name. Next, it's crucial to have legal authorization and identification on hand. This means keeping copies of the court order that appoints the guardian. This document shows that the guardian has the authority to manage the ward's finances. Identification documents for both the guardian and the ward should also be stored safely. These include government-issued identification and social security numbers. Any letters of guardianship or related legal documents from the court or financial institution should be retained as well. Now let's talk about transaction records. Every deposit made into the account needs to be documented. This includes noting the source of funds, like income or benefits. Withdrawals and payments must also be recorded with a clear explanation of each expense. This helps show that the money is being used for the ward's benefit. Keeping receipts, invoices, and bills related to these transactions is essential. Additionally, bank statements and canceled checks should be part of the transaction history. Accounting and reporting are also important. Guardians should maintain a ledger, accounting software, or a simple spreadsheet to track all financial activities. This record should include dates, amounts, payees, and reasons for each transaction. Periodic financial reports, often done annually, need to be prepared for submission to the court or relevant authority. These reports should detail income received, expenses paid, and the current balance of the account. An inventory of all assets under the guardian's management, like bank balances and real estate, should also be included. Another key aspect is maintaining budget and care plan records. Guardians should keep copies of the ward's personal care plan and proposed budget. This outlines the anticipated financial needs and resources. It's important to document how the funds are used in line with these plans to meet the ward's needs. Lastly, communication and correspondence should not be overlooked. Guardians must keep copies of all correspondence with the bank. This includes requests to retitle accounts or address changes. Notices from the bank or court related to the guardianship account should also be retained. In practical terms, guardians should never mix their personal funds with the ward's money. They must be ready to show that all transactions were made solely for the ward's benefit. Good record keeping not only protects the guardian from allegations of mismanagement, but also ensures compliance with court requirements. Simple accounting tools or software can make tracking and reporting much easier. So, to sum it up, a guardian must keep thorough records that include legal documents, separate bank account details, transaction logs with supporting receipts, periodic financial reports, and correspondence related to the account. These records uphold the guardian's duty and provide transparency in managing the ward's financial affairs.